Hi, my name is Carla Pudar. I come from Zagreb, from the Festival of European Short Story, which is held there every year. It's a literature festival, gathering writers, translators, and in general literary lovers from all over the world. This is my first time here in Malta at the Festival of Mediterranean Literature. And so far, I have to say, I admire what you do. I think that a great job is being done here. We're well organized and well played. My organization, called the Croatian Association of Writers, and the festival is member of Literature Europe Live project and Literature Cross Frontiers platform, which I find to be quite important, of a big significance, for one reason mainly, and that's giving emphasis on the small languages. Because coming from the country, which language is spoken only by the few, I must admit that it's not sometimes easy to cope with the big languages, so projects of this kind are very welcomed.